This video demonstrates how to read the command line arguments while executing a Python program using sys module. Sys module contains system-specific parameters and functions that interact strongly with the Python interpreter. Command line arguments are inputs that are supplied to your program during the execution. They are specified after the name of the program in the command prompt. These arguments are widely used when we need to control the program externally. Let us write a Python program to say hello to each of the arguments passed in the command line. Launch Google Cloud Shell and open the Workspace folder. Open the Cloud Shell terminal. Let us create a file in the Python folder. cd python touch command_line_arguments.py. Select the file in the Explorer bar. Let us start writing the Python code. Import sys n equal to len of sys.argv. The variable n stores the total number of arguments passed. For I in range of 1, n, semicolon. Print of argv of I. Let us execute the program. Python, command line arguments.py, 1, 2, 3. Here, 1, 2, 3 are command line arguments passed to the program. Name error, name argv is not defined. We need to include sys in line number 6. sys.argv. Python, command line arguments.py, 1, 2, 3, 4. The command line arguments are printed in the terminal. Let us add the string hello in the print statement. Python, command line arguments.py, 1, 2, 3, 4. The output, hello 1, hello 2, hello 3, hello 4 is printed. cd git add python/command line arguments.py. Git commit -m, commit message. Git push -u origin master. Here is the file in GitHub remote repository. To summarize, the sys module in Python provides functions and variables to manipulate Python runtime environment. Sys.argv is essentially a Python list containing command line arguments passed to the program during execution. Len of sys.argv returns the total number of arguments. Individual argument values may be accessed using sys.argv of I. Note that sys.argv of 0 is the program name itself. That is, command line arguments.py is argv of 0. This is argv of 1. This is argv of 2. This is argv of 3.